These strawberry thumbprint cookies are going to be your next favorite cookies because they're filled with a very nice strawberry flavor from the jam. The cookies are soft, slightly sweet, which makes the combination so good. So grab the ingredients listed in the description box and try out this recipe. For this recipe, you'll need a hand mixer. So into my bowl, I'm going to add in 1 cup of margarine. You can also add in some softened butter. Then using my hand mixer, I'm going to whip up the margarine for around 1 minute until it's very light and soft. So the margarine is very light and pale in color, so I'm going to be adding in my sugar. That is a cup. Mix in using my spatula until fully combined. Then I'm going to crack in 1 egg. Using your hand mixer over high speed, you're going to whip up your egg, sugar and margarine until it's very light and looking so good. Using a spatula, you're going to scrape your bowl to make sure all the ingredients are fully combined. Whip up for another 2 minutes. When ready, you're going to place your hand mixer aside. Then you're going to be preheating your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper, ready for your cookies. My butter is ready, so at this point I'm going to be adding in my dry ingredients. So I'm going to start off with salt, baking powder, vanilla, which is going to add in a very nice flavorful aroma to our cookies. And lastly, I'm going to be adding in my all-purpose flour as I mix using my spatula until a dough is formed. The butter smells so good when I've added in the vanilla. So I'm going to add in the remaining flour to my... And once more, I'm going to mix in using my spatula. So whipping up the margarine for around 2 minutes has made the margarine very light and fluffy, which means that the cookies are going to be so delicate. Also adding in the egg will make the cookies have a very soft texture. Make sure to scrape the bottom of the bowl so that all the ingredients can get combined. When a dough is formed, I'm going to go in with my hands and then I'm going to make sure the dough is well combined. As you can see, the dough is not sticky at all, so the cookies are going to be sturdy. That is, they're not going to spread so much. So I'm going to scoop a tablespoon of the butter, roll into a bowl just like this. Place on my baking tray and make sure I have a tablespoon so that the cookies can be even. Make sure the pieces of dough are evenly spaced, and then over here I have half a cup of strawberry jam that I'm going to be adding into my dough. Now I'm going to be using a teaspoon to make an indent in the dough just like this, and it's going to be super easy. And this is where we are going to be filling in the strawberry jam. Lightly fill your cookies with the strawberry jam. The cookies are going to turn out so good. Let me tell you, I'm super excited for this recipe. And my oven is ready for my cookies. Don't add the jam all the way up because it's going to bubble up while baking in the oven. And my cookies are ready to go into the oven, and I still have some more cookie dough over here which I'm going to be making the next batch. So you're going to be baking your cookies at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes or until you notice a lovely golden brown color on the bottom of the cookies. My first round of strawberry thumbprint cookies is ready and it's already cooled, so I'm going to be removing my second round. Oh my, this is looking so gorgeous. I'm going to wait for the cookies to cool for around 1 to 2 minutes on my baking tray. Then I'm going to transfer onto my cooling rack so that the cookies can cool completely. My strawberry thumbprint cookies are ready and they're looking so gorgeous and pretty. The cookies are soft, filled with a very nice strawberry flavor from our jam. The cookies are perfect for Valentine's Day, Christmas Day, Mother's Day, or even on birthdays, and everyone is going to enjoy because they're so good. Hope you'll be giving this recipe a try and it will be totally worth it.